Hey everyone! Welcome back to Chill English Podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, fun, and totally stress-free. I'm Michael.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you're here with us today. Seriously, whether you're brand new to English or you've been studying for a while, this video is for you.
That's right. Today we have something really special. We're going to walk you through 5 real English conversations, the kind of things native speakers actually say every single day.
We're talking about super practical stuff. Ordering coffee at a place like Starbucks, chatting with a friend, asking for help, making plans, real-life situations that you'll actually use.
And the best part? Each dialogue goes from beginner-friendly all the way up to more natural, fluent expressions. So no matter your level, you're going to pick up something new.
The conversations are simple, clear, and easy to practice on your own or with a friend. You can even pause the video and repeat after us. That's actually one of the best ways to improve your speaking.
Before we dive in, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now. We put out new episodes every week to help you grow your English step by step.
And if you enjoy this video, leave us a like and drop a comment below. Tell us, which conversation was your favorite? We love reading your messages. Okay, let's get into it.
Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can I get a latte, please?
Of course. What size would you like? Tall, grande, or venti?
What's the difference?
Tall is small, grande is medium, and venti is large.
Oh, okay, grande, please.
Perfect. Would you like that hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Got it. And would you like any syrup in that? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut.
Ooh, vanilla sounds good. Yes, please. 1 pump of vanilla.
Great choice. And is that for here or to go?
To go, please. Oh, and can I also get a blueberry muffin?
Absolutely. Is that everything for you today?
Yes, that's it. How much is that?
That comes out to $7.50. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
Emma.
Awesome. Your latte and muffin will be ready in just a couple of minutes, Emma. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Hey, Emma. Good to see you again. The usual today?
Hey, Michael. Am I that predictable?
Just a little. Grande hot vanilla latte, right?
You know me too well. Actually, can you make it iced today? It's already so warm outside.
Absolutely. Iced grande vanilla latte. Do you still want whole milk, or would you like to switch it up?
Let's do oat milk this time. I'm trying to cut back on dairy.
Smart move. Oat milk lattes are amazing, honestly. Anything else? Are you grabbing a snack today?
I shouldn't. But could you add a slice of that banana bread? I've been working since 7 this morning and I haven't eaten anything.
Oh, wow. You definitely need that banana bread then. I'll throw it in the bag for you.
You're a lifesaver. And could you write my name on the cup? Last time someone grabbed my drink by mistake and I was so confused.
Yeah, that happens more than you'd think. I'll put a big E on there so no one touches it.
Perfect. Oh, and I'm running a little late for a meeting. Any chance I could be ready quickly?
I'll bump it to the front. Give me 3 minutes tops.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No worries at all. That's what we're here for. I'll call your name when it's up.
Awesome. You're the best, Michael.
Hi, welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi there. Okay, so I'd like a grande caramel macchiato, but I have a few modifications if that's okay.
Of course. Go right ahead.
Can I get it with non-fat milk instead of whole and extra caramel drizzle on top?
Non-fat milk, extra caramel drizzle. Done. Anything else?
Yes. Could you add an extra espresso shot? I really need the caffeine today. And can you make sure it's not too sweet? Light on the vanilla syrup.
So that's an extra shot, light vanilla, extra caramel. Got it. Hot or iced?
Hot, please. Oh, and no foam on top. I know that's a lot of changes. Sorry.
Not at all. We're here to make it exactly how you like it. No foam? Noted. Would you like the caramel sauce on the side as well, so you can control how much goes in?
Oh, that's actually a brilliant idea. Yes, please, on the side.
Perfect. And to eat, are you grabbing anything today?
I'll take one of those chocolate chip cookies. They look incredible.
They just came out of the oven about 20 minutes ago, so they're still a little warm.
Oh, wow, that's perfect. You just sold me. I'll definitely take 2, actually.
Can't say I blame you. All right, grande caramel macchiato, non-fat, extra shot, light vanilla, no foam. caramel on the side, plus 2 warm chocolate chip cookies. Is that everything?
That's perfect. Thank you for being so patient with all my requests.
Anytime. Name for the order?
Emma. EMMA.
Got it, Emma. We'll have that right out for you.
Here you go. Grande iced caramel latte for Emma.
Oh, thank you. Actually, I think there might be a small mix-up. I ordered a vanilla latte, not caramel, and I asked for oat milk. This looks like it might be regular milk.
Oh no, I'm so sorry about that. Let me check the ticket. You're absolutely right. This was supposed to be vanilla with oat milk. That's completely our mistake.
No worries at all. These things happen. I don't mean to be difficult. I just have a bit of a dairy sensitivity, so the milk does matter for me.
Of course, and that's totally understandable. I'll remake that for you right away. It won't take more than a couple of minutes. Can I get you a glass of water while you wait?
Oh, that would be lovely, actually. Thank you.
And please keep the other drink. Maybe a friend would like it, or you could just leave it. No need to give it back.
That's very kind. Thank you. I appreciate that. Actually, would it be possible to also add a shot of espresso to the remake? I should have asked the first time, but I forgot.
Absolutely. I'll add that in at no extra charge, given the mix-up.
You really don't have to do that. But honestly, thank you. That's really generous.
It's the least we can do. We want you to leave happy. I'll bring the new drink straight over to you.
I really appreciate your help. And honestly, stuff like this makes me want to keep coming back. It's nice to feel like the staff actually cares.
That genuinely means a lot to hear. We do our best. All right, 1 iced oat milk vanilla latte with an extra shot coming right up.
You're wonderful. Thank you so much.
Emma, there she is. The usual, or are you feeling adventurous today?
Honestly, I was going to be bold and try something new, but I've had the kind of week where you just want something familiar and comforting, you know?
Say no more. Iced oat milk vanilla latte with an extra shot coming right up. Rough week?
You have no idea. I've been working on this project for the past 3 weeks, and every time I think we're almost done, something else comes up. I'm running on caffeine and stubbornness at this point.
Ha! Well, you've come to the right place for the caffeine. Is the project at least going well despite everything?
Actually, yeah. Which is the frustrating part, isn't it? It's going really well. I'm proud of it. I just desperately need it to be finished so I can breathe again.
I feel that. I've been meaning to ask. I saw on the cafe's community board that you had a workshop a couple of weeks ago. Something about writing?
Oh, yes. I run these little creative writing workshops every few months. It's just for fun. A mix of people, different backgrounds, different levels. We do writing prompts, share stuff, give each other feedback. It's one of those things I started almost by accident, and now I can't imagine not doing it.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to get into writing, but I never know where to start. I have all these ideas rattling around in my head, and then the moment I sit down in front of a blank page, they just vanish.
Oh, that's the most universal writing experience there is. Honestly, the blank page is terrifying for everyone, even people who write professionally. The trick is to just start with anything. It doesn't have to be good, it doesn't even have to make sense. Just get something down and your brain starts to wake up.
That's exactly what I need to hear. I always put so much pressure on myself to have it perfect before I even start.
Which is the enemy of actually writing anything. Speaking of which, you should come to the next one. I could do with someone new in the group, mix things up a little. I think you'd enjoy it.
Are you serious? I'd absolutely love that. When is it?
I'm thinking sometime next month. I'll put a flyer up here if that's okay. My regulars always say the cafe is the first place they check for updates.
Are you kidding? Please do. The community board is right there. Use it whenever you want. And honestly, it'd be good for business. People come in for a flyer and they end up staying for a drink.
Brilliant. I can't get enough of how this place always manages to feel like a little neighborhood hub. It's rare, you know?
That's the goal. Okay, your latte is ready. And I snuck in an extra pump of vanilla because, frankly, you deserve it this week.
Michael, you absolute legend. This is why I keep coming back.
Have a great rest of your day, Emma. And seriously, get some rest this weekend.
I will. Thanks for the chat. This is genuinely one of the highlights of my week, you know? See you next time.
And that's a wrap on today's episode of Chill English Podcast. 5 real conversations from ordering your very first coffee all the way up to chatting like a fluent, confident speaker.
We hope you had fun with these. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to actually use it. So try these conversations out. Repeat them, practice with a friend, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. Seriously, it works.
Learning a language is a journey, and every single conversation, even a short one at a coffee counter, is a step forward. You're doing better than you think.
If you loved this video, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps our channel grow and allows us to keep making content like this for you. It takes 2 seconds and it means the world to us.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. We upload every week with new conversations, vocabulary tips, and real-life English practice.
We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us, which dialogue was your favorite? Was it the beginner one, or did you enjoy the more advanced conversation? Let us know. We read every single comment.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. You're the reason we do what we do, and we are so grateful for every one of you.
Keep going, keep practicing, and remember, every great English speaker started exactly where you are right now. You've got this.
See you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.